You said I've committed no crime. There is no Terry stop. You have to articulate exactly what crime I've committed.
Suspicious
Correct?
Behavior. There you go.
So that's a crime. That's a crime.
Absolutely. In this location,
all right, let me see the statute.
If you're being suspicious,
let me see the statute.
I've never been on the property. I don't need your directives. I don't need them. I'm grown. I'm grown. I'm grown. Okay? I don't care if they trespass me. I don't even know what this place is, dude. I don't care.
No right, no legal authority to even challenge me.
No, I can't challenge you.
No, you can't.
Yes,
you
we
can't.
can,
You can't.
Yes, we can challenge
You understand?
sir.
Supreme Court, First Amendment right to do this. All right?
right?
Yes.
To
Yes, it is. And you're a law.
What happens when a cop thinks he can bend the law to force an ID? In this video, we witness a citizen standing firm on their rights while an officer struggles to justify an unlawful detention. From misinterpretations of Terry stops to outright threats of bogus charges, this encounter is a prime example of why knowing your rights is crucial. Stick around as we break it all down and expose the misinformation that could cost you your freedom.
Well, if you hinder my investigation, you can be cited for that.
Okay.
Okay. That's the way that it is in Kentucky. When I went through the academy, that's the way that I was trained, is that if I'm conducting an investigation, I have the right to temporarily detain you.
Okay, what's your investigation?
My investigation was that there was an approximate year-old juvenile running around this specific area.
God.
That's a very serious complaint.
Okay.
Okay. It's not just a, hey, how are you? Why are you here? This is a very serious complaint.
Gotcha. Who made the complaint?
I received that call in public service, and I do not have to tell you that.
Okay, so call the complainant and figure out, you know, where this went. We have nothing to do with that.
Okay. All right. Do you have your identification on you?
No, sir. I don't need to identify myself.
You don't have to identify yourself?
No.
Okay.
You have reasonable articulate suspicion that I've committed a crime?
I do not think that you have committed a crime.
You have a body camera?
I have my body camera on.
Okay, very
this
good.
time, so
Gotcha.
it's recording.
And do you have an incident number for this? Or a CAD number or anything like that?
Dispatch will have a CAD number because I just radioed.
Gotcha.
in.
So this is not a traffic stop. You're just doing an investigation, right?
I am conducting an investigation in reference to the safety of a juvenile,
Gotcha.
which is a very serious charge.
Okay,
or
so
complaint.
I'm not obstructing you in any way. You can go ahead and do your investigation, but I'm not answering any questions.
You are obstructing my
Gotcha.
investigation by not answering any questions.
No, that's not how it works.
It's not how it works?
No.
Where did you get your degree? Are you an attorney? Or are you a citizen?
I don't answer any questions.
Okay. All right. Well, like I said, I am not trying to be difficult with you.
Okay.
I'm simply trying to conduct an investigation. From what I understand, the way that I was trained at the DLCJT Academy in Richmond was that I have the right to detain you temporarily to conduct an investigation. You're refusing to answer my questions, which means you are hindering my investigation.
That's not how it works.
Okay. So, are you the authority on the rules? I'm not. I'm just trying to follow them the best I was trained.
Okay.
Did you create the rules, or?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
I suspect. Since I don't have to interrogate you, and I don't have to read you your rights because we're just talking. You're not under arrest. I think that you are being very suspicious in the sense that you do not want to identify yourself. You're creating a certain amount of suspicion about yourself.
Is suspicious a misdemeanor or a felony?
No, that is not a crime.
Okay.
You're not committing a crime.
Am I being detained right now?
You are being detained.
Okay.
That's right. So I can conduct
For
an
what
investigation.
crime am I being detained?
You do not have to be committing a crime to be detained. I'm conducting an investigation. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying to you. I mean, I said you haven't committed a crime.
Okay.
I said, but I'm conducting an investigation.
Okay, so do your investigation.
May I have your name and your identification?
No, sir.
Okay. May I have the child's name?
No, those are my kids and they're minors.
Okay. All right. Okay, and so you're refusing to answer my questions?
Yes.
Okay. So if I write you a ticket for hindering my investigation,
you'll be violating my civil rights and you'll be in civil litigation.
Okay. For doing what?
Am I being detained?
You're being detained because I'm conducting an investigation.
I'm requesting your supervisor now.
Oh, if he is still around, I'll be more than glad to get him for you. I'll tell you what, I'll try to call him on the phone to have.
No.
Okay. Since you're chief deputy. Yeah, I'm aware of that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's. I should have a little backup here in just a second. So we'll get to that and make sure that we stay within his rights. But I was pretty sure that he has to identify himself, or otherwise he's hindering my investigation, like I've plainly stated. Okay. Thank you very much. See you. That was our chief deputy here with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office. He was concerned about my call.
Well, what's his name?
His name is Deputy Daniel Isaacs.
Okay.
Yeah, he was concerned about the nature of the call and what's going on. Like I said, I don't want to violate your rights, but at all, and I'm not going to violate your rights. But I do have the right to conduct an investigation.
Okay. Yes,
and you're refusing to cooperate, and
I don't work for you guys. I don't need to help you in your investigation.
well, you don't work for me. That much is clear because I don't know you. If I did know you, I would know your name and that kind of thing. But so, are you aware that in the state of Kentucky, if you're in operational control of this vehicle and an officer asks you to identify yourself, you're required to do that?
In a traffic stop. Is this a traffic stop?
Well, it's an investigation. You have operational control of this vehicle.
Okay.
I need to know that you legally have the right to.
You already ran the plate.
I didn't get the information back.
Okay. Well, this is not a traffic stop.
I am, however, conducting an investigation. You're in operational control of that vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, I mean, like I said, I came to professional.
You
and you're refusing
gonna jam
to
yourself up. I'm telling you.
Okay.
We were all good until you got here. We were having a splendid day, brother.
Okay. So
don't violate my rights.
So
I'm telling you.
So by asking you some questions, I've
No, absolutely not. You can ask, but I can refuse. Unless you suspect me of committing a crime, I don't need to identify myself.
Well, I tell you what, since you're not under arrest, and I'm going to do everything that I can to treat you as fairly as possible. But if you put yourself in my shoes, and you were a police officer, and I refuse to identify yourself with a juvenile in the car.
That's actually good that you guys have body cameras. For a small department like yours, I'm glad you guys have body cameras.
Do you know why we have body cameras?
I don't know why, but it's good for transparency.
That's exactly right. I'm trying to be transparent with you.
Okay. Do you have a CAD number for this?
I will have.
Okay.
Yep. I'm going to go speak with this other unit here. I thought he was going to get out. I'm going to go speak with him briefly. After speaking with Deputy Edwards and gaining some wisdom from him, okay, I'm not going to step on your rights. And I do not think at this time, okay, from what the sum of everything that I've gathered, I do not think that you've committed a crime, okay? And I don't want to overstep my bounds as an officer by trying to force you to do something, or try to force you to do something that is in direct violation of your rights. I have rights, you have rights. That's the way that I police. I want to be fair. Firm but fair within the law. And at this time, after speaking with Deputy Edwards, I do not feel like that I have enough evidence or probable cause to make you or try to force you to identify yourself, okay? And so with that, I'm going to leave you. I don't know your name, and that's all right. I don't think that you've committed a crime, and I do apologize for inconvenience. That's what the word I was looking for. Sometimes you can't provide security without inconvenience, and that is a part of my job. So, like I said, have a good day, and I apologize for your inconvenience. But I am going to be leaving, and like I said, I don't think that at this time I have probable cause to think that you have committed a crime. So, therefore, I'm terminating my investigation. Okay?
For right now, yeah, you're going to speak with a supervisor.
What am I being detained for? What crime have I committed?
You're taking pictures at an airport.
Is that a crime?
It's not illegal here to do so. You need to have permission.
So what statute do I have?
How do I know you're not?
Again with the terrorist. What statute do you have?
2016.
What statute do you have? What crime have I committed?
You're under arrest. Yeah.
I'm under arrest?
You're not. You're not.
Okay, am I
You're
being
not
detained?
Under arrest.
Am I being
We
detained?
would like for you to stand by.
Am
so
I
you
being
can
detained?
explain
Yes
to
or
our
no?
supervisor
The answer
why
is
you're
yes or no.
taking
You have to
pictures
answer
here
that
at
yes or
this
no.
airport.
What's the answer? Yes or no?
You know
Am I
what?
being
You're
detained?
not being detained, but
Have
we're
a
gonna
good one.
follow you all day.
That's fine. And can I have everybody's badge numbers and their names?
Yeah.
Can you write it down for me?
Yeah.
I'm not being detained, so I'm not giving you.
But I am asking you for this is what a Terry stop.
Terry stop, what crime have I committed?
You are taking photos of a not public property.
This is public property.
Sir, can I please see your license?
This is public property.
Are you refusing now to give me your license, sir?
Let's see. It's Camillo versus the state. I don't have to give you my license. It's not a. This isn't a Terry stop. You still haven't told me what crime I've committed.
You have committed no crime, but
Thank
you
you.
are causing
Then
a
it's
public
not a
alarm,
Terry.
sir.
It's
You
not,
are causing public
it's
alarm.
not a Terry
sir.
stop.
You are causing
So
public
you just
alarm,
lied.
Sir, you are causing
You just
public
lied.
alarm.
Saying that you were
Correct.
being suspicious, so that's what we're doing.
Is that a crime?
They called you in, yeah.
Suspicious of the what crime is that?
You're in the airport, sir.
What crime is that?
You're being suspicious in the airport.
What crime is that?
You know what's going on in the world today.
What crime
right?
is that?
Do you understand?
What crime is that?
You can keep on repeating what crime that is.
Because you're
but
not
just playing
answering.
Stupid.
You're
So,
not answering. You're playing stupid.
My supervisor will
I've
come,
asked you
they'll
now
explain to you.
what crime I've committed numerous times. You can't answer me. He just told me it's a Terry stop. You said I've committed no crime. There is no Terry stop. You have to articulate exactly what crime I've committed.
Suspicious
Correct?
behavior. There you go.
So,
That's a crime.
Suspicious behavior.
That's a crime.
Absolutely. In this
All right, let me
location,
see the statute.
If you're being suspicious,
Let me see the
somebody
statute.
calls us to you.
Let me see the
Now
statute.
we have to talk.
Let me see the statute. What statute is it?
Google it on your phone.
No, what?
Google it on your
You
phone.
have to provide me
You
with a
will
statute
now
because
speak
you're the
to
one
our
that's
supervisor.
stopping here.
You will now speak to our
Am I being
supervisor, sir.
detained?
This conversation's over. You talk to my
Have a good one.
supervisor.
What's the deal?
Ain't no deal. What do you mean deal?
You guys.
There's no deal.
Okay, well the business is calling you guys.
Okay,
and you're taking pictures
and?
of people coming and leaving.
Sure enough. Absolutely.
Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, there's always a reason for stuff.
Okay, will you
What's
mind
your name? I can't-
elaborating me with that on what that
Harris? Is that
is? Yes.
BS Harris?
Do you mind elaborating on what the reason is you're out here?
I don't got to tell you all that, man.
You don't, but I'm just asking so I can inform them.
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, just tell them we doing whatever we can do out here.
That doesn't make any
Legally
sense.
allowed. Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense, but okay.
Well, it ain't got to make sense.
Okay. Well, all I'm asking you is don't go on their property.
I've never been on
I'm
a
just-
property. I
I'm
don't
just-
need your
I'm-
directives. I don't need them. I'm
Well, I'm
grown.
just telling you
I'm
'cause they're
grown.
gonna trespass
I'm
you.
grown. Okay? I don't care if they trespass me. I don't even know what this place is, dude. I don't care.
Okay.
Okay? They can
So you're
trespass
just
all
out
they
here
want.
trying to looking for a scene to make or
No,
something like that?
I'm out here recording. That's what I'm doing.
Making a scene. Got it.
No,
okay.
man.
Just
What
don't go on their
scene?
property
What
because
scene?
They're going to have you trespass.
You
and
making
be
a
arrested.
scene.
Sound good?
You're being disorderly. Would you calm
sound
down? You're being disorderly.
Okay.
So stop.
That's all I'm
Stop
asking.
with directives. I don't want to hear
That's all I'm
nothing.
asking is
Stop
that you
talking.
Don't go on their
Just
private
stop
property,
talking.
okay? That's it.
Stop talking.
That's it. That's all
I don't
I'm
need that. I don't listen to you. You're not my daddy.
I'm just
Okay?
informing you about what's
I
gonna
don't
happen
care
if
what
go
you
over
got to
there.
say.
Okay, that's it.
Then go home. Be gone.
Okay, that's all, man. I'm just having a conversation.
I'm a grown
That's it.
man. I do what I please.
I see that.
Okay?
I see that.
Right.
What was that?
You're dismissed, she said. Are you hard of hearing?
Yeah, actually.
I am too. So there you go. There's your partners here.
Yeah, okay, that's great. All I'm telling you is you can't go on.
You
the
don't
private
need to
property.
tell me nothing. I'm a grown man. I know the laws and what not to do.
Well, I'm just
I'm
informing you.
grown.
Some people don't know.
How,
laws.
you done said that 4 times.
I know. I'm just that's my.
Four,
word.
there,
'Cause I don't
you want
wanna
to say it
see you- I don't
again?
wanna see you get
Say
in
it
trouble.
5 times. It'll
I don't
mean a
wanna see you
lot.
get in trouble for
It'll mean
going
a
on
lot
the
if you
private
say it
property.
5 times. It'll actually
If you
stick.
go on the private property, you're going to get charged.
5
with
times.
trespass.
There you go.
Yeah.
What an
As long as
idiot.
you understand.
What an idiot, dude.
As long as you understand.
Yeah.
You understand that as well.
Hey, I understand that.
On the property.
You understand that?
Understand that?
You do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that? You want me to turn it up? You understand that?
I thought you were grown.
Yeah. That's not saying you're number 1 either. So go back to work.
This encounter highlights the dangerous gap between police training and constitutional rights. While this officer eventually backed down, not everyone knows how to stand their ground. The Fifth and Fourth Amendments exist to protect you, but only if you know how to invoke them. Always record, always ask questions, and never let intimidation override your rights. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay free. When does a routine police interaction turn into a violation of your rights? In today's video, officers demand identification without reasonable suspicion, push the limits of authority, and even confiscate a citizen's wallet. But how much power do they really have? Stay tuned as we break down these encounters and expose the tactics used to pressure compliance. You need to know your rights before it happens to you.
I haven't committed a crime.
No.
So,
But you know what? I have to do a report.
Yeah, you can.
So if something happens, they call and I say, "Oh, it's John Wilson."
Right.
But John Wilson doesn't work for us. You understand what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying, but I respect my privacy, and I know I haven't committed a crime.
Okay, then that's fine. Then when I call your owners, I'll tell them you're uncooperative with police, and right now you're not allowed to go in that building because you don't have an ID on you. If you have an ID yourself, you're not allowed to go in.
Well,
I'm just telling you, you have to identify yourself. I'm on an alarm. You don't have the proper code. I don't care if you have a key, you can't go in unless you identify yourself. You're bringing this on yourself. No big deal. It's for a report, dude.
I get it.
I have to do a report. That's my policy.
You gotta do a report. What? That's their policy. Yep. The law states I don't need to identify myself.
Yes, you do. You have to identify yourself as a police
committed
officer. No, that's not true. That's not true.
That's correct. It started off as a really good encounter. Now you're kind of escalating it.
Well, no, because you aren't telling me who you are.
Right.
So I don't know who you are. Yeah, and I'm
My name's
recording you
Deshaun.
too, just like you're recording me. I'm recording you too. You have to identify yourself.
No, that's not how the law works.
Yes.
You have to be.
Well, when you become a lawyer, I'm going to call my.
It's not being needed to be a lawyer.
Number. Yeah,
it's knowing your rights.
Can we get your manager on the phone then to identify yourself to me?
Well, first of all, our GM just changed.
Okay, so who's in charge of the store?
Guy named Benjamin. I've never actually met him.
Can you get in charge of somebody does you have a phone number inside?
I tried calling our district manager.
Okay.
His phone's off or he's not something. Again, I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
Here's the deal. It's no big deal. This isn't why don't you want to identify yourself?
Because I respect my rights. And I
respect your rights. And here's the thing, I respect the rights of this company.
Yeah.
And you're saying I'm okay to be here? But
I can open this lockbox, I can open these safes, I can open this door with my personal key. They told you my name's Deshaun. That is correct. I can go and show you. Here,
no, we're fine. Nope, you know what? We're done.
I can show.
So when something happens, yeah, we're done. Nope. I'll just run all the license plates out here. We'll find out.
Oh, sure. I don't have a car. Good luck, bud. See what happens? They just escalate, man. Try to bully their way. It started off as a great encounter, and here we go. He wants to go. He's gonna run license plates. He's gonna do all this stuff. Hold on. Roll on the window real quick.
Can I help you, sir?
Yep. So I'm just wondering.
What can I do for you, sir?
Just name and badge number, please.
Dawson 68. Yeah.
Dawson 68.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Just don't.
And I identify myself to you because
It's your policy.
Anyways. No, I just do it anyways. But
it is in Plymouth Police Department policy.
We'll just figure out. No, it's just our policy. When it's an alarm thing. I don't know who you are. You say you're okay to be here.
I was trying to show you right before you walked off.
That's okay, sir. Nope, I understand.
Okay, now say that again.
You look like a guy that has a warrant. That's why I want to see your ID.
I'm not the driver of the car.
Doesn't matter. If you have a warrant, you have a warrant.
I don't have any warrants.
Okay, what's your name?
You don't need to know my name.
Yes, I do.
Who do you suspect me of being? Call a supervisor.
So you might give my ID back, please.
Picture that takes time.
Did y'all call for a supervisor?
Nope.
Did he say no?
If you're not the guy I'm looking for, dude, it's not a big deal. Just let me see your ID.
What you need to see my ID for?
Urban,
For a minute ago, just a minute ago, you said you need to see my ID because you thought I was somebody.
Yeah.
You just verified I'm not whoever it is you're looking for.
No, I did not verify.
And now you're still looking for my ID.
I did not verify that.
So now you want to try to violate my constitutional rights? Is that what you want to try to do? Because I've been doing a whole lot of research on this.
Okay, you should probably read up on the laws there, my friend.
Oh, I do know the laws.
Okay.
What crime have I been suspected of doing?
You look like a guy that has a warrant. My partner's checking the photo right now to make sure it's you, or see if it isn't you.
So because you suspect I'm somebody, what law is that breaking? Yeah, look real good.
Look, if you got your ID on you,
look real good.
Look, if you got your ID on you,
call the supervisor.
I'm not calling a supervisor. It's
Call the supervisor.
Look, sir.
Can I get your name and your badge number?
That's not a problem, Deputy. Yours ID 2175.
Can I get yours?
So here's the thing. If you just give us your ID and we make sure that you're not the person that we're looking for, then we're all good.
I don't have to give y'all nothing.
Okay, well then we're probably going to ask you to step out of the car till we can identify you if we think that you are this person. And I think
Okay, and you can call for a supervisor too.
I'm not doing that because my supervisor's going to say the exact same thing I'm telling you right now.
Okay, call for a supervisor. Let's get him out here. Let's see what he got to say.
My supervisor's not going to tell me anything different.
Okay, but if I'm requesting for a supervisor, y'all got to call him.
Supervisor or not, I do not. I don't
Okay, well.
All right, would you mind just stepping out of the car for me then? Okay, put your phone on top of the car. I'm detaining you right now, sir. So you can't.
What am I being detained for? What law have I broken?
Detaining you because we believe that you might be the person we're looking for.
Oh, okay.
Now you put this in your pocket. It's still recording.
But I haven't committed any crime.
Well, you're suspected possibly having committed a crime if you have a warrant, right?
I haven't.
And you're feeling
I don't have no warrants.
Okay.
Haven't committed any crime.
Are you willing to identify
What's your
yourself?
name?
Are you willing to
What's your
identify?
name?
Deputy Burton.
Deputy Burton?
Yeah.
What's your badge number?
2590.
Say that again.
2590.
2590?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, are you willing to identify yourself?
What law have I committed?
Are you willing to? Because here's the problem. If I think that who this person is, I do believe that you might be that person, and I can't identify you because you won't provide me any kind of positive identification, then I just have to go off based off looking at a picture of somebody and thinking that you're
Okay, that's why I said look at the picture good and look at me.
Okay, do you have an ID on you so
Look
I
at
can
the
confirm
picture.
whether-
Look at the picture
Yes.
good
And I think
and look at me.
And I think you might be the person.
And you think?
Yes, that is correct. You have an ID on you, sir.
Yes, I do have ID.
Where's your ID?
It's in my pocket, and I do not give you the right to search me.
Which pocket is it?
So you gonna violate my constitutional rights and search me? Somebody record this.
We have the right to identify.
No, you don't. I didn't give y'all a right to search my person.
That's fine.
So,
Okay.
am I the person you looking
No,
for?
you're not the person we're looking for.
So put my shit back in my pockets and get the fuck on out my face. Cause I will be suing.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I know it is
All you have
fine.
to do is identify yourself. That's
I
it.
don't have to. I haven't committed any mother crime.
If we believe that you might be the person, you wouldn't be.
But that's suspicion.
Yes,
that's what you
reasonable
think.
suspicion. Yep, that's
That's not a
reasonable
law.
I'm not going to argue with you anymore because
You don't have to argue. Cause I requested for a supervisor.
That's fine.
Hey, Bert, can you call for a supervisor since you don't want to?
I'm not the OIC on this stop, all right?
I mean, but still, I'm requesting for a supervisor.
You can take him out, Rob.
You giving us a hard time, too.
I'm not giving y'all a hard time. I haven't committed any crime. I haven't did any thing wrong.
You was refusing, man.
But I don't. By law, I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. By law, y'all cannot just come and approach me and tell me, give y'all my
off, man. We're done.
I know you done, cause I ain't did wrong. So I will be suing the out of y'all.
That's fine. So what do you want? My partner's got your wallet.
Here's your wallet, sir.
Can I get y'all? Can I get some cards of yours?
I gave you all my information, sir. If you have a problem, you can just call dispatch. Can I get my driver's license? Yeah, my partner's got it. He'll give it back to you.
No, don't give it to me. Give it back to the owner. Yeah, y'all want to be assholes? I'm gonna be an asshole with y'all. Yeah, you was, cause I told y'all motherfuckers I wasn't who y'all was looking for. I do know that. I ain't got no motherfucking warrants. I know what the f going on with my shit. So y'all will be hearing from my lawyer in the morning.
You have a happy new year.
Hey, y'all have a happy new year. Stop f***ing with motherfuckers out here. Y'all ain't got shit else better to do but fish. Y'all can't find shit wrong, so y'all want to just f with whoever y'all f with. At the end of the night, I ain't got shit to be worried about. Now, y'all always think somebody got some shit to be worried about. Man, fuck y'all.
I'll do y'all job, for sure.
Nothing legal in the car, guys?
Say it again?
Nothing legal in the car?
No.
No weapons in the car like that?
No, sir.
It's cool if you just check to verify?
Check to verify?
Yeah, to make sure there's no weapons in the car. The reason I'm asking because Duke's Bar has a nasty crowd that it attracts.
Bro, but I got a clean record. Why don't you let him run my record before I give you that decision?
Well, I check cars all the time.
I don't
matter what the record is or anything.
I don't have nothing in my car, bro.
So nothing in there?
No, I don't do weapons.
Check?
No, I don't give you permission for that,
Okay.
bro.
Okay, I'm just gonna walk around the car.
Yeah. That's a trip.
chick? Black guy.
Yeah, I just saw a video, bro. Trust me, it's live. We ain't do shit. We about to go.
No weed in the car?
No, I don't, sir.
No masks, the ashes, that's what. You smoke cigarettes?
You do.
No alcohol in the car?
Say it again, sir?
No alcohol in the car?
No, I just bought a bottle so I can go home. I just lost my mom, bro.
Get it, man.
Yeah. Tough times right now. It's ugly.
I get it.
You know, you're going like through the, go through stuff like this for, it's just another day, I guess, man.
For us, yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'm a hard-working black man, bro. I work for all these foods.
Okay, I get that.
I'm
I don't
a
get what
good
you're trying
man.
to say, sir.
Got good kids.
It's a traffic stop, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know. I'm giving you, just like you giving me a perspective of you, I'm giving you a perspective of me.
I got you. 100%. I'm not judging you book off a cover. I'm just telling you where we're at and what time it is over here.
Yeah, bro, but that's everywhere. I live in tough places than this. I don't never have no problems.
So what we're trying to say is just because you live in tougher places, right?
So do that give you a right to...
Listen, you live in tougher places, right? If the cops did their job the appropriate way and pulled people out of the car and searched vehicles and did things by the book how they're supposed to be doing instead of being lazy and just walking up and saying, oh, here's a ticket, have a good day, you'd probably stop a lot of crime in of itself. Because let's be honest, I myself has almost had my life taken numerous times. Just this year,
bro,
beginning of this year, I've already had twice.
Has been taken, bro.
Huh?
For stuff like this.
Are you? I have a question. Are you threatened by anything I'm doing? Look at my flashlight. My hand is tucked in my leg strap.
No, but you
can literally rush me right now.
No.
My officer safety is dropped. My hand is in my right. My flashlight is in my gun hand, which is completely off training.
Yeah, I get that, bro.
So what we're trying to say is,
you give me a perspective of things, and I'm giving you a perspective from real life things. We going through things just like you, bro.
I got you, but
same thing.
We're just trying to do our job. That's all it is, man.
I get tired of watching the news and watching stuff. I get tired of all that.
But if you don't believe me, bro, just do me a favor. Go to the security guard, the head security, and be like, hey, Ty, what's going on?
Security too, bro.
I know, but he'll tell you. He'll be like, hey,
I gotta watch my back. I gotta call y'all all the time. I know about all that.
So that's all it is, man.
I respect law.
Unfortunately, I'm saying right now, this bar draws a negative crowd. It brings a lot of drama here. And the security guard himself asks us to come check these vehicles because he wants to avoid a shooting at the end of the night, every night.
That's not me, bro. I gotta
that's all it is. And I can't, unfortunately, bro, you don't have a sign on your face that says, this is what it is, right? I had to talk to you and figure that out, right?
I understand that.
I got to walk up to your car and figure that out.
I understand that.
All right? But what we're trying to tell you is, in the day, your front license plate, just so you know, yeah, you don't get stopped with your tickets, but we want to let you know just how hazardous. Right. If you do in a car accident, let's say your boy's in the seat, guess where you think that license plate's going? Exactly, brother. So that's something that they didn't tell you. They let you go, but then you end up in an accident, and now he's suing you. That's happened. Your boy's going to turn around, his insurance is going to sue you, and you're going to get hit with a lot of money. All right?
That's a good way to look at it.
All right, brother? Yeah. Simple as that. All right, no one's coming after anybody. We're just out here doing our job, bro. Simple as that, all right? All right, guys, have a good night, all right? Stay safe.
Take it easy, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, drive safe, all right?
This video is a prime example of why knowing your rights is crucial. Officers cannot demand ID without reasonable suspicion, and they certainly cannot take your wallet to search for it. Encounters like these erode public trust and highlight the need for accountability. Always record, always assert your rights, and never let intimidation override the law. Stay informed, stay empowered, and stay safe out there. Imagine standing on a public sidewalk, camera in hand, only to be approached by law enforcement, questioning your right to film. No crime committed, no reasonable suspicion, just intimidation tactics disguised as an investigation. In today's video, we witness a First Amendment auditor holding his ground against officers who seem to forget that public photography is not a crime. But how does this encounter end? Does the officer back down, or does the situation escalate? Stay tuned to find out.
Suspect or subject? Subject. Okay. I'm gonna continue on my way, sir.
No, you can stop right there.
You're detaining me?
Yes.
For what?
To further investigate.
Investigate what?
They're telling me on the sidewalk right in front of one person.
What's your reasonable articulable suspicion that a crime is occurred or is about to occur?
Okay, so we got a call saying, with your description, the high power lens, taking photos of the bay.
This is a high power lens?
I don't know anything about cameras.
You can, okay.
I don't know anything, to be honest.
Okay.
I don't even know how to use a camera on my phone that well.
Okay.
Okay, I'm bad with technology.
Sure.
So the reason why we're temporarily be detained. It's time to talk to you because you have a camera.
What's the crime of? Is having a camera with a high power lens a crime?
We're having a conversation.
But to actually physically detain me, you have to have RAS of a crime. So
Yeah.
I'm asking you what the crime is.
Of
because there's going to be a complaint and a lawsuit if there's no crime.
Okay, so the reason of suspicion is it's 2019, right? Have a lot of crime that occur, whether it's in the city of Brea or not. You know, people that take pictures of buildings. I understand if you can take, you're on the close side, by all means, you can take as many pictures as you want. But there's
I can't right now because you're detaining me.
Well, there's cause of concerns why someone will be taking pictures of a building. If
I don't need to explain it though to you. It's not a crime.
That's fine. But I just wanted to further investigate. That's why I'm here.
Well, you can stand here and watch me and see if the crime occurs. That's investigation.
By all means.
But that's it. So I'm gonna just continue walking this way unless you actually have a crime that I've committed.
You're free to go.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Okay.
What's your badge number? Is this 1683 your like employee number or?
No, it's my badge number.
That's your badge number, and it's Officer King.
Yep.
No stripes. I wonder why. You don't know the law very well, sir.
Okay, well, like I said, I'm here to investigate what's going on. You clearly say you're not doing anything wrong.
Maybe when people call and say there's a guy at the camera, you should say, what are you guys doing? Like, well, you watch too many Bruce Willis movies. You can't just assume something's wrong because the guy's on a sidewalk with the camera.
I understand.
I mean, well, you understand now, but you didn't a minute ago.
Yeah, well, you refused to talk to me. And I was letting you know why I was temporarily
I'm completely within my rights not to talk to you.
Okay. Well, like I said, you're free to go.
I'm free to stay too.
Okay.
So, what's your badge number?
Alright, what did I do?
1673. Well, you're a public servant, so you're identifying yourself.
1672, last name Cross.
Thank you, sir. Also, no stripes on this guy.
Huh?
I'm narrating to the camera. Okay. No stripes on this guy. It's not a surprise. They don't know the law very well.
Got you guys when I'm over there. Look at this. Whoa.
What you doing, sir? What you doing here? What you doing? Okay.
Can I have your name and badge number? So we got this guy who he came up.
Why take picture here?
What's that? Can I have your name and badge number? Guess we got this.
Far from my car, please.
Uh, 95679. Failure to identify yourself. Can I have your name and badge number? I'm gonna get this guy's car some more. This guy just pulled up on me. That's crazy. Who are you? You don't want to identify yourself. I mean, you came up to me. We can do this all day. Why you feel the confidence to drive up so close? And then you leave. Here. Oh, this guy's pissy, man. He's just walking away. I got his car though. Looked like he was eating some pears, little Clorox. Nice or so. Oh, it's coming back up. Maybe he was told to leave it alone. All right, bud, you can go home. Yeah, have a good day, okay? Next time, give me your name and badge number. That'd be good. It's crazy. It's cool. I'm coming right over there anyway. Hey, you don't want to identify yourself still? California Highway Patrol.
Hello. Sir, I need officer from here. This guy take picture.
Okay, call the office, please.
That's right, but call the office. This is not their problem. It's not even your problem. You don't even know what you're doing, man.
It's okay.
It's okay? So why'd you come over here? Why'd you come over here if it's okay? Let's get this convo. Look at this, guys. He's not even a cop. You all set? You having a good day now? Now that you feel like you told on me, you feel good? All right, guys. So, let's just see. Oh, goodbye now. You have a good day. This guy is so out of it. Look at this. This guy can't drive at all. Dude, what are you doing? This makes no sense at all. All right, guys. What do you have here? What's that?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Right there's my name.
Right there is your name?
Yeah.
It's a lot of you guys' name right there, man. What's your name and badge number?
It's right here.
It's right here? Yeah. So you're right there and you're right here. Well, you guys are obviously right there and right here, but
Well, what was the deal with him?
I don't know that guy.
Okay.
You guys came out, so maybe you guys know what the deal was.
Well, yeah, he called in saying that you were harassing him. But,
I was harassing him?
Yeah.
So why'd he leave? Why didn't
Well, I told him to. I said, well, if he's harassing you, just didn't you hurt him drive off? And he
Yeah.
said, okay, that's what I'll do.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta ask me what's going on. Shit, you guys already know. I don't know. I was hoping you guys knew. He came up to me. I was recording.
Have a good day.
But it's your guys' policy to give me your name and badge number. So you guys don't want to go on the record for that? You guys have a beautiful day too then. Pickups, please. Wow. See what's going on in here, guys.
Why not?
It's a secure area, so you can't video here.
Why not?
It's a secure area.
Why can't video here?
It's a secure area. It's a federal area. You cannot video here.
Is it against the law?
Yes, it is.
What law?
It's against U.S. government law.
What law is that?
Sir, you can't video here.
Tell me
So
the
I
law.
appreciate, sir.
You just said it's against the law. What law is it against?
You cannot video here, sir.
What law is it against?
Right? This is a secure area. You can't video here.
But it's a public area, right?
No, it's a public walkway.
Right.
Okay, that's what it is.
Am I in the public walkway?
So you can't video the building. You was videoing the building. You can't video the building. It's a secure facility.
Are you absolutely sure about that?
Positive, sir. It's a secure facility.
Who do you work for?
This is the Federal Bureau of Prisons. You cannot video the building.
And that's who you work for?
Yes.
Well, you should get a supervisor down here because I want to know
Listen,
the.
I'm not going to do that for no YouTube or nothing or no TV camera. I'm just telling you, you can't video the building. It's a secure building.
Well, I'm not going to stop recording it.
All right, no problem.
Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Mike Ward, the captain.
Mike
And
Ward.
who are you? Is your phone on right now? Are
yeah.
you filming us right now? For
Yeah.
what reason?
Because I can.
No, this is federal property right here.
And?
We're authorized to confiscate your whatever you filmed on.
You think you're authorized to do that?
Yes, we are, sir.
You think you are?
No,
Under
not that
what
I
law?
think.
Under what law?
Under federal law. 'Cause
What
this is a
law?
federal building.
Cite the federal law.
Right. I don't have to cite the law. This is a federal building right here.
You
okay?
have
We can
no
ask you-
authority
We
to.
do have
This
the
is.
authority,
I'm
sir.
in public. Anything in public view is
Right.
fair game. You have no right, no
Just trying to
legal
understand,
authority.
Why are you filming me
You
right
have no
now?
right, no legal authority
but you're
to
filming me
even
right now.
challenge me.
No, I can't challenge you,
No,
sir.
you can't.
Yes,
you
we can,
can't.
sir.
You can't.
Yes, we can
You
challenge you,
understand?
sir.
Supreme Court,
Right.
First Amendment right to do this.
Is
All
that
right?
right?
Yes.
To
Yes, it
film a
is.
federal
And you're a
building,
law enforcement
okay?
officer. You should know
Exactly.
that.
No, and I do know that. Anytime you film a federal building, okay, and this is a federal secure property right here,
Mhm.
all right, you're not supposed to be doing that. And we by Title 18, we can ask you to confiscate what you have.
No, you
on
can't.
the tape,
No, you
okay?
can't. You
So,
can't.
Again.
No, you can't. No, you
Okay.
can't.
Again, sir, could you leave our premises and not
What do
discontinue
you
to
mean
film
leave your
our-
premises?
well,
This is public
as far
property.
as filming our building, okay? I
You
appreciate
have
if you
no.
didn't
You
film our
have.
building.
Listen. You.
Okay?
Like I told you. You
Is
have
that
no
right?
say about it.
Okay.
None at all.
Yeah, we do
and
have
if
some
you
say.
want, and I'm welcome.
Okay.
I welcome you
So
to
can we
challenge
get your
me on
name?
that.
Then can I have your name
No,
if we want
I'm
to
not.
challenge that?
I'm not giving you
Okay?
any information.
Okay.
I'm not giving
But
you
again,
anything.
I appreciate if you didn't film our federal building.
I
okay?
understand.
Right.
I appreciate your
Right.
appreciation,
Well,
but
again,
you have no say
no,
about
we do
that.
have some say-so
You don't.
about
You have none.
Okay,
None
well, I appreciate
whatsoever.
it. If you
None
didn't film-
whatsoever.
Again,
None
I appreciate if
whatsoever.
you didn't
You're a
film
captain.
our-
Perhaps
perhaps you should go look.
Right. No, I do know. I know what I am. I know what I do. But my thing is, you shouldn't be filming our building.
Well, you don't know. It's public. It's within public view. I have every right to film this building, and there's absolutely nothing you can say about it.
Could you just leave our area? We appreciate
Yeah, and I'm in public. I have a right to be here.
Again, sir. Could you leave our premises?
I have. Well, you're in your premises. This is public area.
Again, you're filming our federal building, right? You're filming people walking up and down and so forth. Okay?
Somebody's coming down.
All right.
And like I said, I have every right to do it, and there's nothing you can do about it. I have every right to do it.
Could you please leave, sir? No, he's fine.
I don't know. He apparently doesn't understand the United States Constitution that he took an oath to uphold. No, you don't understand. Apparently you don't. I know I'm filming a federal building, and there's nothing you can do about it. It's within public.
Because for security reasons, you should not be filming our building, sir.
It doesn't matter what this building is. It's within public view. I'm in the public. I have every right to film it, and you have no right to infringe upon that right.
We do. For security reasons, you shouldn't be filming that building.
If you think you do, we can finish that in court because I'm going to continue filming the building.
Okay.
You have no right at all, no authority at all. None at all whatsoever. You think you do, and I understand you think you do. Most people in law enforcement are the dumbest motherfuckers when it comes to understanding the law. But you think that you can stop me?
We're not using profanity towards you, sir. Okay.
Well, you're infringing upon my rights. I have a right to be out here filming this building.
We also have a right for security.
You have no right to infringe upon my right, First Amendment right to film this building. You think you do, and I'm challenging you on it. You think you do, then do something about it.
This encounter serves as a powerful reminder. Knowing your rights is the first step in protecting them. Too often, law enforcement officers rely on intimidation, assuming people will comply out of fear or ignorance. But as we've seen today, standing firm and asserting your constitutional rights can make all the difference. The First Amendment guarantees the right to record in public spaces, and no badge can override that. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and never let anyone convince you that your rights are negotiable.